Hello everyone. Today we are going to see chapter number 16, The Universe. If you observe the clear sky on a dark night, you will see a smoky white band full of stars spreading north-south in the sky. This is the Milky Way. It is also known as Mandakini, a group of innumerable stars and their planetary system are together known as galaxies. The Milky Way is the galaxy in which our solar system is located. The Milky Way is a part of local group galaxies. There are many such galaxies in the universe. The Milky Way includes many stars smaller than our Sun as well as many other stars that are 1,000 times bigger than that of Sun. It also includes many other celestial bodies such as cluster of stars, nebula, clouds of gases, clouds of dust, dead stars, newborn stars, etc. The galaxy that is closest to our Milky Way is the Andromeda. The Andromeda galaxy, which is shown in image. Depending on the shape, there are types of galaxy decided, that is, types of galaxies and various types identified according to their shapes. The first one you can see spiral, the second type is elliptical, the third type is barred spiral, and the fourth one is irregular. The Hubble telescope. The scientist Edwin Hubble showed that there exist many galaxies beyond our Milky Way. In 1990, NASA, the American Space Agency, launched the Hubble telescope in the orbit of the Earth. The Hubble telescope has made it easier to look for stars, to take photographs, and to obtain spectrums. Let us know about stars. The thousands of twinkling stars that we may observe in the clear night sky are part of our Milky Way. Some of the stars that we see are bright, whereas others are faint. Stars radiating different colors such as blue, white, yellow, and reddish can be seen in the sky. We also see stars with varying brightness. The birthplace of a star are the huge nebula made up of dust particles and gases. Generally, the surface temperature of stars ranges from 35,000 degrees Celsius to 50,000 degrees Celsius. The color of stars changes according to their temperature. Here some types of stars are shown. The first one is sun-like stars. These stars can be slightly smaller or bigger than the sun, but there is a lot of difference in their temperature. Example is Alpha Centauri. Next one is red giants. The temperature of these stars ranges between 3000 degrees Celsius and 4000 degrees Celsius, but their luminance can be 100 times that of sun. The diameter is 10 to 100 times that of the sun, and they are red in color. The third type is supernova. These are even brighter and larger than the red giant stars. Their temperature is between 3000 to 4000 degrees Celsius, but their diameter can be more than 100 times greater than that of sun. The next one is binary or twin stars. More than half of the stars in the sky are binary stars. They consist of two stars that revolve around each other. At times, 3 or 4 stars that revolve around each other have also been located. So, that's it for today's class. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.